How to contact Meta Business Support. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can contact Meta Business Support. Now, the first step is to log in into your Meta Business Suite account and then move to the top right, to the top part of the screen of your desktop, and then click on New tab. And then in this new tab, type out Meta Business Support Home. So after typing that out, you'll be brought to the Google's page where you see different functions. Just go ahead and select Meta Business Help Center. So this is the Help Center. On this page, you can see articles, okay, that you can use to answer your questions yourself. Now, questions that you have, articles have been written to address them. So you can just check out the different articles to see if your answers can be found there. And then another thing is to move to the top part of the screen and then click on support. Then once you've clicked on support, you can see the different options here. Just go ahead and click on get support. And then after clicking on get support, you'll be redirected to another page where your account would be displayed to you. And then you can now check out your account overview to see if there are any issues to your account. But majorly, the major way to get help is by making use of these articles here. Read through them and then you get your support. And then you can also move to the top right corner, click on get support instead of going to the top part of the screen in order to access your account overviews page. So this is how it works, okay? This is how you can contact Meta Business Support. Thanks for watching and have a good day.